Today we will make pie for Grace's birthday. Grace is our friend. It's Proper's friend. So let's make it! Yeah! Here are the ingredients. We have 150 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 1 coffee spoon of sugar, and 90 grams of butter. First, we will pour in the flour and make the shape of the volcano there. Now, we will put in the egg, salt, and sugar. From where you do the sugar? Here, salt. And now I will mix all of the egg, the sugar, and the salt. And now I will pour in the butter. Now I will knead the dough. You don't have to be scared that your hands will be dirty, okay? I will use the kitchen wrap to wrap our dough and put it into the fridge. I will put our dough in the fridge for an hour. Now take our dough out of the fridge. Now I will make it flat. We will scoop the flour here onto here. There. Now I will put our dough into our dough. And Nam is going to scoop the dough on the flour on top of the dough. Okay, so more, yeah. More. Okay. There. You will make it. Okay. Salmon. Okay, so okay. Nam will make it flat.
Chị làm đi. Ui, em không biết làm.
Này. I will roll the dough and put it onto this dish. Now I will cut the surrounding. Oh, that's the sound of my little brother. I will make the shape so it looks beautiful. Make the holes so it will not pop. Make holes everywhere, okay? And we'll bring our dough to bake. And now we will make the mango cream. Here are the ingredients. We have 220 milliliters of milk, 20 grams of cornstarch, 25 grams of sugar, and 8 grams of mango. Now we will pour the milk into the pot. Okay, now Nam is going to pour the mango into the milk. We will grind the mango. After I grind the mango and milk, I will pour in the sugar and the cornstarch. Now Nam will mix our mixture. Now I will cook our mixture. We will mix until our mixture thickens like this. Now I will scoop our mixture into this piping bag. Bye. Bye. That's Nam's little brother. Little sister. Squeeze the cream. I will make it smoother with this spatula. Now I will strain some cocoa powder to decorate the cake. Let's go. Guys, look, the cake looks like a sunflower, right?
Yes.
Guys, we have cut the cake's base. And it's very crunchy. Wow, guys, the cake is very delicious. The base is very crunchy. And the mango cream with cocoa powder tastes like chocolate. It's like a chocolate pie, right, Prepare? Yes, but I want to eat a piece. Okay. A piece. Yum! I love it. It does taste like chocolate. Okay, so if you want to taste it, just make it. And if you want to have a party, just make this cake. Okay? Goodbye.